Alright, right now we're recording on the built-in microphone. I'm gonna plug in the other one in a second. Grisha, thank you for joining me on this trip. First time. And now check out the other microphone. Alright, check.
New mic time.
New mic time. Let's see how it sounds. I got a little muff on the microphone, and obviously it's a very noisy environment. Alright, we're taking a little break. There's a road nearby, but we are in the forest.
I think Andre's tired, so we had to pull over.
yeah, I'm tired.
It's hard to scoot.
But there is a road nearby, so a little noise. That's the inbuilt microphone. And now I'm gonna put this mic in and see how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, testing.
Blah, blah, blah. It's really small, it's very slim, and it looks like it fits with the camera.
Yeah.
Those are the only positives I can make out as of now. Other than that, I guess you'll have to hear it on the computer to really tell.
Grisha's first ride on the scooter. There's a deer somewhere there. Alright, we found a quieter place.
Hopefully we don't get shot with any arrows.
Is that, yeah, it's actually an, what is it, an arrow field?
Archery range?
Archery range, yeah. Pretty quiet here, using in-body microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Testing. And let's switch to this guy.
Looks good. That's the only thing I can say.
Yeah, it looks good.
Looks funny. But good. Slim.
This is actually the first camera that I have with a selfie screen. I never had a selfie before.
It's definitely useful.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Willowbrook Park. Awesome place. It's not loud here. There's no wind.
We have all natural sounds. Ducks, mosquitoes.
So how do you like the scooter?
It's definitely different than what I expected. It's more powerful than I thought it is, and it's much harder to control than I thought it is. Definitely takes some getting used to. The delayed brake thing is probably the most concerning for me. But otherwise, it seems like a great mode of transportation. No pollution. Don't have to fill it up with gas. You just have to be very, very careful because this thing is fast. A few more things that impressed me about the scooter is its ability to drive off-road. I did not expect that in a scooter. Judging from the quality of the suspension, it's definitely a smooth ride off-road. Most people wouldn't believe that, but you got to give yourself a try. And obviously the speedometer, odometer, very comfortable. Also it shows you how much battery life you have, which is cool. Allows you to see it in the sunlight with the backup light. And make sure you don't go too fast so you don't kill yourself.
Thanks. Thank you, Grisha, for...
Thank you for having me. The first of more to come, hopefully.
Yeah.
It was a good time. I can confidently say that I'm the first tester of this beautiful new mic.
And now we're gonna take it off just to say goodbye again without it.
Okay, so I'll see you in a few seconds. And we're back.
Built-in microphone.
A regular microphone. Hopefully we'll see a difference, or else these back-to-back videos are gonna look silly, but it's worth it. We gotta test it out.
Oh, what do you think about the bicycle?
The bike is awesome. I mean, I've been complimenting it the whole time I've been riding it. It's like there's virtually no bumps that I've felt. You know, you don't have to pedal much because the gears are really awesome. Brakes are solid. The only minus that I've noticed is the posture that you have to force yourself into when you're on it. Besides that, I mean, it's a quality bike. And with the fluffy mic, bike review continues.
Good.
So yeah, the bike is quality. There's really nothing bad to say about it. If you're into bikes, if you're into off-road bikes, I guess you could say. I don't really know much about them, but I would say this is probably top of the line.
One of them.
Yeah, and like I said, virtually no bumps. Very low energy input needed from you because the gears are so good. And yeah, I would bet that I could go faster than the scooter on that. Not top speed, but
Here's the bicycle. Blah blah. Let's talk, shall we? Two things to keep in mind. I am using a 90-degree adapters. Very simple. Bought them on Amazon. It comes in a package of 3, and I'm using 2 of them, not just one. Let's say if you're in the back of the camera, that's fine. But if you're in the front, if you're vlogging, you see the door is not gonna let it go to the front. So for that reason, I'm using 2. And at this point, as you can see, the microphone will be pointing towards you if you're in front of the camera. As well as, of course, you can point it backward. Well, up or down, anything like that. I'm also using this little Dead Cat. Comes in a package of 5. I'll leave the links for both these products and the camera in the description. The last thing is that every time I would plug in the microphone, the sensitivity setting is much higher for this external mic, and when you unplug it, the sensitivity on the internal microphone is much lower. So it was constantly jumping up and down, and in post-processing, obviously I increased the volume levels for the built-in mic, and I decreased levels for the external microphone. So that may influence the quality of the 2 microphones. Maybe I'll try to do another test, but for now it is what it is. In general, I really like how compact this thing is. I mean, check it out. Obviously it's very light, it has no weight to it. It takes very little space when you put it on the camera. Even with this thing on, it's just like a little blimp on the side, that's it. You don't need any plates or anything like that, or any cold shoes that would, so that the microphone doesn't block the screen. Just on the side, very easy. It seems like the audio quality is definitely improved over the built-in. The built-in has this sound of a tin can, kind of echoey sound, and this external mic, I feel that it improves on that. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up. I'll leave the links below to these products so you can easily find them. Like, it was tricky to find these thingies, because you can find a bunch of them, but is it gonna fit, is it not gonna fit? These were pretty cool, very simple, and it's discreet. It's not like gray color or like really fluffy. It's minimalist, like minimal black. It's not it's not gonna pop out or anything like that. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.